I watched 3 of the biggest make money online videos back to back. One from Isabella from Baddie in Business, one from Tilbury, and one from AC Hampton. And I'm gonna be honest with you, a lot of side hustle advice sounds good, but only a few of these hustles actually make real money in 2025. So today, I'm breaking down exactly what works, what doesn't work, what these creators are doing behind the scenes to cash in, and spoiler alert, all of them secretly rely on the same tool to automate their business. A little bit more on that later.
Welcome to today's free course all about TikTok Shop automation. People right now are making thousands of dollars every single day from TikTok Shop.
That's one of the most common questions I get asked.
I started a brand new Shopify store completely from scratch.
All right, let's start with Isabella from Baddie in Business.
People right now are making thousands of dollars every single day from TikTok Shop. And this number is just growing year after year. We continue to see new stores blowing up and lives are being changed because of it.
All right, she calls TikTok Shop the easiest and beginner-friendly side hustle out right now. And honestly, she's not wrong. How many people haven't gone viral on that platform? In her video, she says that you can start a TikTok shop, not hold inventory, and automate the entire thing.
I don't know if you know this, but you can start your own TikTok shop and completely automate it without holding any products yourself. You don't have to actually have any of the products on hand to do this or ship anything yourself.
And the big advantage she pushes is traffic. On Shopify, you have to drive the traffic yourself. On TikTok Shop, the traffic is already on the platform. Plus, affiliates can promote your product for you. Now, her strongest point, she teaches beginners to leverage TikTok Shop affiliates instead of influencers. There's no negotiating, there's no DMing people, there's no stress. Affiliates literally find you inside the TikTok Shop dashboard. And when she gets into product research, this is where things start to get interesting.
If you don't already know what AutoDS is, AutoDS doesn't just help you with finding winning products on your TikTok shop, they're gonna actually automate your entire TikTok shop. And they have the fastest shipping times on the market. They have a huge library of products with real data to support what you should be selling and what not. Product listings give you in-depth look at the products themselves. When you click on a product, you can see the profit margins, target audience, market saturation, and even competitor stores. So you can get more ideas of how they're displaying the product and so much more. And lastly, AutoDS is how you're gonna be able to automate this entire system.
She uses AutoDS for literally everything. Handpicked products, trending products, the ad spy, and fully automated fulfillment. So whether you're doing TikTok Shop or Shopify, the workflow is pretty much identical. But while Isabella focuses on TikTok Shop, Tilbury takes the opposite approach. He looks at every side hustle. So let's see how dropshipping stacks up when you compare it to freelancing, Airbnb, arbitrage, affiliate marketing, and really everything else. Now, if you do want to follow in their footsteps and use AutoDS for your own business and start scaling the same way, then make sure you check out our $1 trial that gives you access to all of the AutoDS features for a whole 2 weeks. The link to that is going to be down in the description below. So let's just go ahead and continue. Now, Tilbury, honestly, in my opinion, this dude is the king of side hustles. This man has tried everything: freelancing, Airbnb, arbitrage, eBay stores, affiliate marketing. If it makes money, he's tested it. Now, quick breakdown. Freelancing has high income potential, but clients are a pain. And I can attest to this.
Freelancing. This is all about using your skills to earn money online by working directly with clients. There are tons of skills you can choose from.
Airbnb arbitrage, it's scalable, but it's very expensive and it could be pretty risky.
Arbitrage. This is a money-making method where you rent out a property on a long-term lease and then rent it out short-term.
How about eBay stores? Well, they're easy to start, but you're essentially shipping everything yourself at the beginning, if that's the approach that you take.
An eBay shop. This is a great way to make money by selling products online. You can sell anything from vintage clothing and electronics to handmade items.
All right, so what about affiliate marketing? Well, it has low effort, but you need to be consistent with your content.
Method 4, affiliate marketing.
But here's the thing. Out of all of the side hustles that he covers, the one that he keeps coming back to, and the only one that I personally believe in the most, is dropshipping. Because on his scale chart, dropshipping is the only side hustle that checks all 5 of his boxes: low learning curve, easy fulfillment, massive scalability, and low startup cost. Oh, and there's very low and minimal risk. And when he gets into AI pre-built Shopify stores, this is really where it all clicks. Now, really quick, if you are finding any value in this video, then please make sure you hit that subscribe button and make sure you like, so that way we know that you like this type of content and you're actually finding it useful.
Setting up an AI-built Shopify store is a great shortcut for anyone looking to start e-commerce without the typical learning curve.
He says fulfillment is very easy, but only if you register for AutoDS.
Don't worry, the Build Your Store website will prompt you to use this. It takes care of everything from adding trending products to your store to updating important details like prices and images. And when a sale comes through, AutoDS ships the item straight to your customer. So if you go through this process and use Build Your Store AI with the link in the description, you'll also get the trial on AutoDS for 99 cents.
So Isabella uses AutoDS for TikTok Shop, Mark uses AutoDS for Shopify automation. And the last creator, AC Hampton, uses AutoDS to go from $100 to over $100,000. So let's go ahead and get into that. AC Hampton dropped one of the most detailed step-by-step videos that I have ever seen. He started a brand new Shopify store from scratch, and 24 days later, he hit over 100K in sales.
I started a brand new Shopify store completely from scratch. And in just 24 days, I went from zero to over $100,000 in sales.
And he broke it all down. He calls this strategy AI hybrid dropshipping. Validate for free, prove demand, then spend the money. He focuses on emotion-driven products, problem solving, high engagement, and products that make people feel something. But here's where the overlap happens again.
And there's a tool called AutoDS that will do all this hard work for you that I'm gonna go ahead and leave linked in the description below this video for you to go ahead and try out for $1.
He uses AutoDS to scan the entire TikTok marketplace for trending products to automate the whole store. The importing, the fulfillment, the product data, everything.
And now that we've got the product, the next step in the AI hybrid system is building a store. And this is where most people overcomplicate things. Because here's the truth. You don't just hit 100K just by running ads or having a product that's in demand. And if you don't already have a Shopify account, I got a special offer from Shopify themselves that's gonna give you your next 3 months for only $1 each that you can find right below this video.
And when he builds a Shopify store, same thing Mark used. Same thing that Isabella mentioned. The AI store builder plus AutoDS to handle the backend. He proves that you don't need thousands of dollars. You don't need a fancy website, even though you get one with the AI powered Shopify stores. But you don't need months of prep. You just need the right product and the right strategy. And of course, automation. So after watching all three creators, here's the truth. Every single one of them teaches something different, but all of them rely ultimately on dropshipping and automation to grow. Isabella uses AutoDS for TikTok Shop. Mark uses AutoDS for Shopify fulfillment, and AC Hampton uses AutoDS for product research and automation. Look, AutoDS is literally the one tool that all three creators can agree on. So if you want to try the same system that they're all using, I'll drop the $AutoDS trial down below. Test the handpicked products, test the trending tab, play with the ads buy, automate your store like the pros. And make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any more valuable information in the dropshipping and e-commerce industry. Huge thank you to everyone for watching, especially for making it all the way to the end. My name is Mario with AutoDS, and I'll catch y'all next time.